What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing y'all how I got this look right here, y'all, and peep my new tattoo. Y'all, I did not film that experience, but I should have. I want more now. Like, I want more. But if you want to see how I got the details and looks with this hair, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back into a ponytail, and I'm just taking some Got2b glue gel and slicking back my edges. I wanted to show you guys how I lay my hair down up under my wigs because I have a lot of questions about that. My hair is in between the stage where it's like semi-long, semi-short, so I don't get it braided. I just put it in a little small bun, small low bun, and then I just slick back my edges. Now I'm taking my 71% alcohol and I just clean my hairline, and now I'm going to go in with some foundation powder that I have. I like to take a shade that is lighter than my skin tone and then one shade darker, and I mix both of those to make my bald cap. I don't actually use like a bald cap. I just put makeup on my hair. I find that this is better and more easier than actually going in and installing a whole bald cap on myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on my hairline until I feel like I like the color and it looks good enough, and then we're going to get into the process of putting the lace on. You want to just blend any extra harsh colors, like any harsh makeup, you want to blend that out, and once you like it, this is what it'll look like. Again, this is Wiggins hair, the company I will be working with. It is a 13x6 lace wig. Here I'm just showing you everything that came in the packaging. I got some mink lashes, this little tube top type thing. I really don't know what that was. And then I also got an elastic band, and I also got this Wiggins hair pink satin headscarf, which is super cute. You can wrap your edges up at night with it. This is the hair. Again, this is Wiggins hair. I wanted to show you guys, this is their 34-inch deep wave lace wig. It is a 13x6 and it is 250 density. I had to get up and get out of the camera so you guys could see. It does come with combs and adjustable straps, and the lace is transparent, as you guys can see. Y'all, this hair is so much hair, I do not know what to do, but I just wanted to show you guys, this is the parting space. You can do deep side parts and deep middle parts. Again, like I said, this is a 13x6 unit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut off my ear tabs. You can do this beforehand or however you like to do it. I just like to put the lace on to see if everything looks good, see if I need to pluck anything first. But once you get your ear tabs, you want to lay the lace back down to make sure everything is nice and clean. Then we're going to pull our lace back, and you want to just wipe down your forehead one more time. I did do that off camera. And then I'm going to go in with my Got2b gel, and I'm just using a popsicle stick to apply this. And I'm also going to be taking my freeze spray to lay the wig down. I don't use any glue just because I feel like it's not necessary. I know I'm not going to have the wig on super long. So yeah. Now I'm just going to take my freeze spray and lightly go over everywhere I just put the gel. This is just making like a second layer of adhesive for me. Once you feel like you've got enough freeze spray, I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer on a low cool setting. You want to blow dry your hairline until it's a tacky substance. Once you feel it's tacky enough, you want to go ahead and lay down that lace, and then we'll finish the install. that I done got my lace in position, I'm just holding it with my fingers and using my blow dryer. You want to repeat the same process on the other side until you get satisfied results. I did go back in with some freeze spray on top of my hairline and my blow dryer. I just didn't put that in because I feel like it was very repetitive. But yeah, once you get your lace secured, you want to take you some scissors or an eyebrow razor, whichever one you prefer, and we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I like to start in the middle and work my way from the left to the right. You can do however you want to. It really doesn't matter, but yeah, like I said, I'm just starting in the middle, going down my left side, and then I will be going down my right side until I get my desired look for the hairline. Once all your excess lace is cut off, if you have any lace ends or like by your ear tabs that didn't adhere down, you just want to take a little bit of freeze spray or your Got2b gel and your blow dryer and just lightly press the lace back down in place. Now for styling, I'm going to do a side part. Ever since I got my face tat, y'all been doing like little side parts, y'all already know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and part my hair. I'm just gonna do a semi-deep side part, and then I'm going to take this wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply store and put that on the perimeter of my hairline and in between where I did my part. After I get my wax stick, I'm just going to take my hot comb and press everything out. You want to make sure that your lace is looking flat. You don't want any humps, lumps, or bumps, okay? Take your hot comb and press that thing out. Be careful and not to burn yourself. Next, we're gonna go in with our shears to cut out some thin baby hairs. I just took out a small section, and then I'm going to take my Got2b glued black bottle to lay down my baby hairs. I'm just doing some simple swoops, as you guys can see, and I wanted to show you guys the full process so you don't feel like it's overwhelming. I never get my baby hairs perfect the first try. Don't think that you will unless you're like a professional or something. I don't know, like a professional baby hair layer. But yeah, I'm just going in with my Got2b glued black bottle gel and just pulling out small sections. I just did one swoop on one side and then had my ear tab or sideburn, and then I'm going to put one swoop in the middle and repeat the same process on the other side with matching baby hairs, and then that will complete the look for the most part. This is what my edges look like after we have laid everything down. Now I'm just going to take this elastic band that they provided with me and tie my edges down. Now to define my curl pattern, I'm just going to take this Cantu curl neutralizer or curl reviver spray, and I'm also going to go in with a spray bottle. I did skip like half of this because it took me forever to wet this hair, but y'all know the idea. You get the gist. You want to spray the hair until it's like damp wet. You want to use your curl reviver or a water bottle, whichever one you want to use. I'm going to come back with the hair wet, as you guys can see now. I'm just taking the water bottle and wetting wherever I feel it's not wet. And then, yeah, after that, I'm going to go in with my Cantu curl cream and a Vigorol, I hope I'm saying that right, Vigorol curl mousse, and you just want to apply to the hair like so. This will help maintain frizziness and keep that wet look. Once we're done with that, we'll want to take the elastic band off, and then we'll be done. That'll be the finished look. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a length check because I already know I'm going to get questions. I am 5 foot even, and this hair is 34 inches long. This hair comes like past my butt to the bottom of my butt. I can't even stretch it out all the way because my arms aren't long enough. But I just wanted to show you guys that it is super, super long on me. But this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is Wiggins hair. This is their 13x6 deep wave 34-inch lace wig in 250 density. It did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached knots. All I did was go in and I put some makeup on the lace. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't watch it. But give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.